Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be painting some bumpers from a Chevy Silverado, and they're going to be going red. So let's just begin, get this done. Alright, here we go. Now these bumpers are going to be going to that Chevy Silverado. They're going to be going red. I did scuff them up. I did prepare them. They're ready to go. We're going to be applying some 2K sealer from Eurocam right there, guys. The gun I'm going to be using is my Welcome Genesi Carbonio 360 Evil paint gun. So let's just get to it. Start applying that sealer, get these bumpers painted for that pickup truck. There we go. One coat, it's all it needs, guys. Covers very well. The sealer covers it very well. So we're just gonna let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Right now it's about 90 degrees in here. So it'll dry up pretty quick. So let's just let it sit, mix up the red paint, and start applying it. This is the paint right here. It's called Pull Me Over Red. There it is. So this is one quart, guys, and I am gonna use that quart for the truck. The truck does have a couple of minor scratches and dents, so we're gonna paint the bumpers, then we're gonna use the same quart for the truck. So let's just get to it and let it dry and start applying that red paint. First coat of the color red. Now this bumper came with all its plastics and everything that goes on top of here. A good painter, guys, removes all that. Okay, you need that paint to wrap around, get that the way it's supposed to be, because if you just tape everything up, you're gonna start having issues with peeling, and that's not good. The customer or the owner of the vehicle is not gonna like it. So a good painter, like I said, is best for you to remove everything that you can and do it the right way. This bumper was brand new, so we had no issues with this one, but that one, yes. So just a little quick tip, guys, just remove it. Takes a little longer, but the end results, it's gonna be much better. All right, let's just wait those 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, come back, apply 2 more coats, then we'll start applying that clear. You saw me apply the 3rd coat, and we're ready. We are ready for that clear coat. All we got to do is just wait 15 minutes for it to dry, come back, use a tack rag, clean it up, and spray the clear. We're going to be applying 3 coats of clear, so let's just wait and I'll bring you back. Here's the first coat of clear. I'm going to be applying 3 coats, guys. So let's just wait, and I'll bring you back once I start applying the 3rd coat. All right. So let's just wait, and I'll bring you back. Here you go. You saw me apply the 3rd coat of the clear, and it's ready. Came out really nice, guys. So now what we're gonna do is just gonna wait for them to dry for a couple of days before we can install them. We'll start putting everything back together, install them in the truck, and should be good to go. I still need to fix those dents on that truck, so that's gonna be next. And there it is, guys. That'll be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much. Hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed the painting, and like always, guys, have a great week, Have a great weekend. I'll see you next weekend. And like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the candle.